The oil filler plug both caps the oil fill hole and relieves pressurized air in the crankcase. It has a hole on top of the cap that lets air escape from the crankcase. The plug is typically replaced due to damage, such as damaged threads or it being accidentally broken. Replacing the oil filler plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old oil fill cap from the crankcase. The oil plug threads into the crankcase. I'll unthread it to remove it. Now I can install the new plug. The plug includes a new O-ring, so I can thread it right into the crankcase. And that's how easy it is to replace the oil filler plug on your air compressor.